Why Amazon Robot will be your best friend. If you've been looking out for the Internet of Things and the real magic of robots, you definitely should be making your way to Amazon. These things are happening right now at Amazon's enormous fulfillment warehouses in the United States. Hey guys, what are you doing right now? Could you please take about 30 seconds of your time to subscribe to our YouTube channel? And don't forget to click on the bell button to stay in touch with all our exciting updates. For more than 20 years, the world has introduced a lot more of different elements of technology and innovations in our e-commerce and marketing system to help deliver goods and services reliably and quickly as well. This incorporation was done in order to meet the ever-growing customers' expectations and demands. Businesses like Amazon Robotics also embrace this idea wholeheartedly. One nice part about this smart transportation system is that it enabled automated moving of entire shelves. And this it does within minutes and all day long. Just before we delve into getting to know more about these robots and possibly acquiring a few new best friends, let's quickly do a recap on the facts about Amazon Robotics. Fact number 1, Amazon robots make work easier for their employees. All thanks to robotics, every single product has become movable and very easy to transport. The items are directly moved from one spot to the other by robots, and especially to the workstations just in time to pick up customer orders. Right after, the items are further moved to stations to get ready for shipment to the customers. Unlike what everyone may be thinking about robots, the case is very different in Amazon. Right there in Amazon, machines and man work hand in hand to make work easy and reduce the extra time that may be spent walking. Sure, robots for the layman implies the loss of work for the human being, but it's great to know that Amazon has done everything within their strength to do away with this. Fact number 2, robots in Amazon allows the staff to process orders faster and rope in a massive selection of products for their customers. There's no doubts that robots help in making fulfillment centers more efficient at an improvement capacity. Now, this is true because of their ability to hold more inventory than the average human brain. The technology not only backs up a greater selection of products, but also lets Amazon workers process orders at a surprisingly faster scale than ever before. For a company where time matters so much, this improvement is the right step in the right direction. In some other cases, the employees are now able to process orders in minutes instead of hours. Thanks to the robots, if you're placing orders on Amazon, you'll be rest assured to get your products in record time. Fact number 3, robots do not take over the jobs of the employees or replace their being there. As mentioned earlier, robots and men work hand in hand in Amazon. Since the launch of Amazon Robotics at the fulfillment centers in 2012, Amazon still managed to create up to 300,000 jobs worldwide. This is simply amazing, considering there are robots that could easily take over those works and man it perfectly well. The smart systems assist the Amazon employees in carrying out their tasks, even when the presence of robots and the company's investment in new logistics centers and jobs never fail to make use of human labor as well. Fact number 4, Amazon robots carry up to 340 kilograms of weight on one trip. If you are still to be convinced of the importance of this machine, then this is one sure proof of it. It will simply be a death mission if a man decides to take on about 340 kilograms of weight with them on a single trip. Amazingly, these Amazon robots can take on that much weight, move at a speed of roughly 5.5 kilometers an hour. It probably may surprise you to know that for a robot with such abilities, it weighs a little over 140 kilograms. Fact number 5, Amazon robots are designed and created the headquarters of Amazon Robotics in North Reading near Boston, Massachusetts, USA. Only a handful of persons are aware of this fact. You most probably are thinking that these machines are produced in a fancy lab very far away from Amazon and likely shipped down after it's ready. Sorry to burst your bubbles. These babies are born in Amazon Robotics, USA. Now, with all the knowledge you currently have with Amazon robots, you are rest assured that these lovely machines are in no way trying to replace humans. They're also efficiently doing the jobs that were created to do. Why on earth would anyone not want to have one of these very efficient devices as their best friends? The manager of research and advanced development at Amazon Robotics, Joseph Durham, during a presentation at the first annual IoT Solutions World Congress, held September 16th through the 18th in Barcelona, once talked about how the division got started. According to James, it all started with a small startup called Kiva Systems in North Reading, Massachusetts, which was, by the way, purchased by Amazon in 2012. Kiva Systems proposed and delivered to Amazon small robot systems for office supplies and retailer staples. The robots were just like the ones used to clean floors. They're used in the warehouse to move racks of merchandise, and also help in an easier and efficient preparation of online orders. Staples first started with about 60 robots in 2006 and then grew to an amazing 500 the following year. Luckily, the robots at Staples' facility have been running smoothly without any complaints ever since. It's also important to note that the Amazon Robotics warehouse system looks very simple compared to the massive, arm-whirling automated robots that can be seen on an automaker assembly line or at some storage facilities. Without a doubt, the challenge for the e-commerce supply chain is quite different from one factory assembly line to another. On an assembly line, robotics is mostly used to repeatedly move selected pieces to efficiently build the same car over and over again. For Amazon, just like other retail fulfillment operations, each online order is exceptionally unique for them. Web retailers manage not only thousands, but sometimes up to millions of different products. These products are common for their varying sizes, shapes, and weights. When one of the employees in Amazon was questioned about his fear for one of the robots by name Skynet coming in and taking over the entire plant, causing a massive layoff of employees, Pedro Dominguez had only great things to say about the presence of robots in the company. He even said that when ranking things to worry about, the idea of the robot taking over doesn't even come on the top 10. Another great part of this machine is that it diverts attention from the more crucial things. Now for a pointer into the future, through one of the largest companies on the planet, Amazon. Amazon has an incredibly massive scale with fulfillment centers that are as large as 1.25 million square feet, like over 23 football fields, and with millions of products in stock, definitely talking about one of the biggest companies here. To deal with that scale, Amazon has ventured into building an army of robots. These robots are like a marching army of ants that can constantly change their goals based on their situation. It is no secret that Amazon robots are very reactive and adaptive in order to extend the human capability to allow for more efficiencies within the buildings. There's a lot more from where those came from. Every day, this facility in Boston releases a new batch of machines. To some of us, this moment where robots are made to do the work that are primarily meant for humans belies a dark sign of what's to come. It stomachs a future that may likely never need us, when we're all jobs, and unfortunately, not even cab drivers and truckers are safe. There's a possibility of these jobs being taken over by machines, yet Amazon's chief robotics doesn't see it that way. According to him, the more robots they add to their fulfillment centers, the more jobs they're creating since humans are the ones building these machines. Anyways, guys, that's it for me today. Why Amazon Robot will be your best friend. How awesome are these robots, guys? Really? If you've been wondering if the Amazon robot would be replacing human labor or if they have the potentials of becoming man's best friend, I hope this video is able to quench your thirst for information. If there are other Amazon robots that were not mentioned, be sure to comment down below and will be included in subsequent videos. If this video was insightful, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe. That's it for me, guys. I hope all have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will see you